Untold Secret of Forgiving Hearts. Do you think forgiving people is important? Yes or no? Yes, it is super important. Why? So in my workshop, I asked one person, how frequently you forgive people? He said, no, I don't forgive people. I asked that person to say sorry to me. I said, okay, do one thing. So I give an exercise to him. I asked him to get 2 water bottles in his hand and stand like this for a couple of minutes. He said, okay. He get 2 bottles and he was standing. 5 minutes happened. I asked, are you okay? He said, okay. After a couple of minutes, I asked once again, are you yet okay? He said, yes, it is manageable. After a couple of minutes, I asked him, when I asked before that, his one hand was going down. I said, what? He said, it's not manageable, and he thrown that bottle. I told him, life is like that only. If the more you keep the things in your mind, more you keep things in your mind, negative things, right? I don't want to say sorry to him. Okay, and that anger is yet in your mind. The pain you will get like that bottles. The more you release faster, pain will release faster. Simple analogy, simple metaphor. So, repeating whatever in your mind, release that, drop that bottle, say sorry, something sort of, work it out how you want to do, and get out of that pain. Because in mind, whenever we have that pain, okay, you are not in ease state, you are in dis-ease state. Disease will keep capturing you. Simple, right? Your mind and body are linked. What are most of the disease you have is because of your mind. Are you getting me? So, say sorry and say easily or forgive people and be in ease state, be disease free. This is the one line message I want to give you from this video. Now, some people may have this pattern, negative, continue thinking of negative self-talk. Some people may not able to sleep, keep thinking, continuous anxiety. What is all these things? You're keeping all things in your mind and just keep running. And you created some sort of negative pattern in your mind and you're not coming out. Some people are taking medicine for sleeping. They're not able to sleep. People are taking medicine for depression. Why? All things, when I say depression, they are continuously thinking about one particular event in their mind and not coming out. Are you getting me? So these are nothing but on negative patterns in your mind, and you have to remove that if it is deep level. Yes, and if you want to remove your negative patterns, click on below link in my bio link and schedule free one-to-one discovery session with me. Hi, my name is Kshitij Jalkar. I am NLP trainer and your personal life coach, and I help working professionals to go from financial crisis to financial abundance without giving on their dreams, desires and responsibilities. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you.